guess what, this one I have put to the test a long time ago, Black & Decker, and this one by Craftsman. Very similar anyways, but this one is a battery operated one. So I wanted to see how well it's gonna work with the battery. Gonna put some oil. Oops, it's okay. I'll make sure to put some oil in here too. Whatever. And then plug this up. And let's see how this one works. How does this open though? Okay, there's a lock. It opens like this, like a little alligator over here mouth or something. And you see, there's oil everywhere. Nice. So a little chainsaw to cut on the ground and not worry about kickback or anything like that. So it's perfect tool for trimming much thicker branches. And this is very similar. Let's see which one is heavier. I would say this is way heavier than this one, but nevertheless it's very good tool too. You can plug it into a battery, it'll be all good too. Very nice. By the way, you see this opens as well. You see how it's like brought it towards you? This is nice. This is so cool. From far away. You see how it bites into it and brings it up? Cool. What about something a little bit thicker? Let's try this out. This is dry. Wow, look at that. Get rid of all the junk. Next. I'll show you close up in a minute. Wow, beautiful. And don't have to worry about hitting the asphalt or anything. A little bit different angle, and then I'm going to put to the test the other one. Nice. Almost all the way. Cool. I like it that it's portable. Let's see if this one cuts the same speed. What's so special about it, or just the same thing? For this one you'll need extension cord, and look, I failed so hard. Okay, this will do, I guess, so that way you don't step on it. There you go. Let's see if it's more powerful. Seems to be more powerful, but let's see. Oh yeah, the difference is it's way more powerful. But you gotta remember, this thing is on a battery. That's the only way it's cooler. So I'd rather still use this thing. You just can hear it. It wanna go. So over time, if you're gonna be cutting a lot of these pieces, it's gonna save you a lot of time with this plug-in wire. So much faster. And one last time, so you guys can see what's the difference between electric one plug-in and electric one battery. Way slower. What happened? You stuck here? Yeah, way slower. One last time so you guys make opinion either way. So much faster. So there is a difference. More power, this one more portable, and don't have to deal with the wire. But you know what I did to this one? The only thing is the wire is a problem, but I got one of these DeWalt power station and one of these quartz buckets. Done. So I still like this one way more because it just saves so much more time.